Tēnā koutou katoa. Hey everyone, ko te wā tunu kai. It is time to do some baking. And so today, I'm introducing you to my new caramel almond slice. And I'm gonna package this up and send it off to Brian. Now Brian, in 2021, in September, turned the grand total of 50, and he was ready to party with his whānau. But we were in lockdown, weren't we? And all of his whānau were outside of Auckland and he couldn't party. So his sister Angela asked me if I can send him a little treat. And that is just what I'm going to do. So the first thing you want to do for your almond caramel slice is create your base. It's got all the normal things in there. However, we are adding in some pata ARAMONA, some almond butter. It's got a beautiful crunch to it and wonderful texture. Nā reira, me te mata tātou. Let's get started. Koina ngā kai ka whakamahia e tātou. Here are the ingredients you need.
Kia kotahi rau karamu pata ku tere tere, 100 grams of softened butter. Kia hautoru kapu pata ARAMONA, 1/3 of a cup of almond butter. Kia rua hautoru kapu huka one, 2/3 of a cup of caster sugar. Kia kotahi kokonui wanira, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Kia kotahi kapu puehu parawa, 1 cup of plain flour. Kia haurua kokoiti pēkana powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Kia whitu te kau karamu tiakarete parauri kua tapahia, 70 grams of chopped dark chocolate. Kia haurua kapu ARAMONA, 1/2 of a cup of blanched almonds. Okay, so here we go. Add your pata ku tere tere and your pata ARAMONA into a bowl, along with the huka one and wanira. Now smush it with your mixer and give it a good whip. You want to whip this for about 5 minutes until it's light and creamy. Now add in your puehu parawa and pēkana powder and give this a good old mix. And once it's all come together like that, looking lovely, you want to reserve 1/3 of a cup and leave it to the side. And with the remaining mixture, you want to press it into a 20 centimetre square tin lined with baking paper. Press it in with your hands and then straight into the oven, 165 degrees for 15 minutes. And I like to just flatten down the sides so you get a nice even layer with your caramel. Next, you want to take that reserved mixture along with your tiakarete parauri, your dark chocolate, and then press it all together. Bit of smushing action happening there. Perfect. Now with our blanched ARAMONA, our almonds, just chop them roughly in half.
Ka pai e te whānau. So our delicious base is all cooked. We have prepped our topping. This is going to go on top of our KARAMEA, our caramel, and we've chopped our ARAMONA, our almonds in preparation. So all we need to do now is make our KARAMEA haha, our luscious caramel. It is so simple to make and always sets. Nā reira, let's get to it.
Kia kotahi kēna mira kanako, 1 can of condensed milk. Kia hauwha kapu miere koura, 1/4 of a cup of golden syrup. Kia whā te kaumārima karamu pata, 45 grams of butter. Kia rima karamu tote, 5 grams of rock salt. Pour in your mira kanako, your condensed milk. Have a little taste as you go, you know you want to. Now add the miere koura, along with our remaining 2 ingredients, our pata and tote. And the job is simple. Whakawirahia. Heat it until all of the butter is melted and your caramel looks like that. Perfect. Pour it onto your base. Spread it evenly everywhere. And then we have a little bit more mahi to do. You want to take your konga tiakarete, your chocolate crumb, and sprinkle it evenly over the top of your caramel. And then take your chopped aramona, your almonds, and just press them evenly all over the top so they're nice and jagged. And straight into the oven they go, and you're cooking this for 25 minutes. Ooh, look at that caramel boiling in the oven. And it's alive after you bake it. Te tiro ki tera, look at that.
Our KEKE KARAMEA, our caramel slice is all finished. Now the hardest thing is waiting for it to cool down a little bit so you can cut into it. But luckily, I have prepared one earlier. So let's slice in and see all those delicious layers.
Tapa hia te keke, slice the cake. Ta-da! Ooh yeah, te mutunga mai o te reka. So delicious.
Ka pai, so stoked with this delicious little slice. Engari, but kia piki tātou ki te taumata anō. Let's take it to the next level. So I'm going to leave half as they are, and the second half of the slice we're going to turn into chocolate bars. This is all you need.
Kia toru rau rima te kau karamu tiakarete parauri, 350 grams of dark chocolate, he aramona anō, extra almonds, roasted to perfection. All you do is take your tiakarete parauri, whakawirahia, heat it until it's deliciously melted. Now take a piece of your slice and drizzle it over. How good is that? Shake off the excess and then sprinkle over some aramona. We need to see that again. Look at that. Make sure you give it a good shake and scrape off the excess. After it's set, it looks like that.
Brian, if these don't make you want to party, I don't know what will. Hari huri tau ki a koe e hua. Happy birthday to you, and I do hope you've had some kind of celebrations over the Christmas period. Engari mō tēnei wā, kua oti te mahi, we are done for the day. Ka kite anō i a koutou a tōna wā. I'll see you all again soon.
Mai tōku kauta ki tō kauta, ki ki ana ki te aroha. Whakawira, heat. Whakawirahia, heat it. Whakawirahia te mirakanako me te miere koura. Heat the condensed milk and golden syrup. Kia piki tātou ki te taumata anō. Let's go to the next level.